everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to insert and format time in Excel. So these are employees of ABC company and we are going to insert the time they clocked in and clocked out of the company. So before you insert time, you have to make sure the cells are formatted in the time format. So what you do is to select the cells and then right click, then go to format, cells, then under number format, go to time and click on it. And then here you're going to choose the location. So this depends on the country that you're in or the location that you want to use. So in my case, let's use English United States. And then from here you can choose the time format that you want to be displayed. You can either use this one, maybe showing the hour, then the minutes and the seconds, or maybe just the hour and the number of minutes. So from these options that are available here, there are so many. Just choose the one that suits you best. So in my case, let's use this one, then click OK. So let's say Lucy started work at around 8 a.m. So if I just input 8 and then press enter, by default it will give me this result, which is not the correct time. This is not 8 a.m. Even as you can see from the format here, it's giving you 12 a.m. time and a date that dates back in 1900. If you say Simon started work at around 7 and then press enter, again by default it will give you this result. So how can we input our time correctly? So to input 8 a.m., just type 8, then type colon, then 00, and then press enter. And as you can see now the time is okay, 8 a.m. So let's input the time that Lucy clocked out of the company. Let's say she clocked out at around 5 p.m. So if I just input 5, okay, and then colon and then 00, then press enter, it will give me 5 a.m. but we want the time to be 5 p.m. So what you need to do is to use the 24-hour time format. So 5 is 17 in the 24-hour time format. So let's type 17 and then colon, then 00, and then press enter, and you can see now the time has changed to 5 p.m. Okay, alternatively, what you can do if you don't want to use the 24-hour time format, you can just type 5, okay, and then colon, then 00, then after this put a space, then type PM and then press enter. There you go. So you can see now the time is has been inserted correctly the way you want. So if let's say Simon started work at 7:30 a.m. so let's type 7 and then colon, then 30, then press enter. There you go. So this is how you insert and format time in Excel. So let's say you want to change the format from this to another format. You can select the cells, then right click, then format cells, then under number, go to time and select another time format. For example, let's select this and then click OK. So you can see this has the seconds displayed too. If you want to change to another one, again, you just follow the same steps. Let's pick another one. We have more options down here. Let's pick this one. So the format has changed and you can see this is a 24-hour time format. We have 17 here, which is here, and it is 5 p.m. So that's it about our today's tutorial. I'll do another tutorial on how to calculate hours worked, but first you had to understand how to insert and format time in Excel. So if you like this tutorial, kindly subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.